Now that your subcompact has been good to you, let's talk about how you can be good to it. First, enjoy every drop of your TORP and only unplug your subcompact when it's empty. Clean the drip tray and grate after every session by hand. Be gentle. Don't use any harsh detergents or your dishwasher. We recommend to clean the sub after using each TORP. Unplug your subcompact and use a damp cloth to wipe down any traces of beer. If there's some moisture or ice in the chamber, simply clean it out with a dry cloth. To keep your subcompact in perfect shape, give it a more thorough cleaning every 3 months. Again, unplug your sub before you start. Wet a cotton bud with hot water and clean out the tap. Pour some hot water into the tap and move the handle back and forth. This prevents dripping and leaking. In case there's some noise coming from the fan, just use a vacuum cleaner to clean out the bottom of the subcompact. Now all you have to do is plug in your sub before you can enjoy another chilled beer. Enjoy!